Hi everybody, so in the video where I talked about growing tomatoes 3 different ways, it was all about tomatoes but also about my aquaponics system. In another video I talked about pimping my Eheim Vac Pro cleaner, which was me making my vacuum cleaner, my water vacuum cleaner, stronger. And I told you that I was going to let it work with 12-volt batteries for about a week, and then I would come back to you and tell you if it's still working, if the motor, the coil motor that's inside did not burn. And so today I have good news. It's been more than a week since I've been working with it, and it's still working fine. It's still perfect. It's still powerful. So today I want to show you how my Quick Vac Pro is working, and I also have nice pictures, nice underwater pictures. I made some really cool shots of tilapia inside the water, the way they eat. I feed them Quaker oatmeal, and they love it. They love the oatmeal. There is enough protein in the oatmeal for them to grow, and this is what I'm growing them with, just oatmeal. I'm just feeding them with oatmeal and vegetables that I grow in my vegetable garden. And yeah, so you just have fun with nice pictures, nice underwater pictures. And if you have any comments, leave me your comments. Do subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell, because I'll really have fun putting those videos on YouTube and showing you how I get around here in the Democratic Republic of Congo. So it's been 2 weeks now since I've been using the Eheim Vac Pro cleaner with 12 volts, and it's been doing fine. Sometimes the motor would turn too fast, or the magnet wouldn't catch up and would stay still. It wouldn't turn with the coil. But to 98% of the time it works fine. When the magnet does get stuck, all I do is I disconnect it and connect it again a few times until it starts again. And the reason why the magnet gets stuck is not because the 12 volts is too much or the motor turns too fast, but it's because some of the bigger debris that it sucks stays stuck and just stops the magnet from turning. So that's the reason why the motor would stay stuck, because it's so powerful that it would suck even bigger chunks of fish poo. So this is what makes actually the motor stop. It's because it's so powerful, it would suck up everything. So when it picks up bigger chunks, the bigger chunks stop the magnet from turning. So what I have to do is open the Eheim Vac Pro up, and take out the big chunks that stop the magnet from turning, and then I put it back in and everything is okay. So for me, now the Eheim Vac Pro is doing the job. It's doing exactly what I want it to be doing. It's so powerful, it leaves nothing behind. It just swallows everything up. I don't want to swallow those leaves. I'm using now is a charger, battery charger, which also has an output of 12 volts. So it's a battery charger for all kinds of batteries up until 12 volts. And let me show you you see the cord? And this is the charger I'm using. It's right here. You see? $700 milliamps, and here you got 12 volts coming out, and this is for like smaller voltage batteries. You see, I got it here on 12 volts. So now I'm gonna turn it off. That's the way I turn it off. That's it. And yeah, that's how I do the job. So let's go now and see the other fish. I got some snakeheads.